Ato na sila ni kasabado sa balo.
Yes, ako po.
Ang sarap! Ang sarap!
Wala. Tawagi ko bulag na mo.
Guys, this is Agwan. The most beautiful girl in the section C. This is Matas from BSND. Now she's here na sa C. Guys, this is the last RD. I'm gonna cry. Guys, this is the last RD. Am I good at vlogging? What do you think?
No.
Why? That's... Am I stupid? Oh, there you go. Maria is memorizing her last RD. I'm gonna show you my best of the best BFF. This is Jason, my best of the best BFF.
Hello!
So together we're going the last RD.
It's very emotional, especially to me. Since
Yes.
ako, Jod, no. RD
We are
is
the first two
love-hate
crammers.
relationship. Oo. Like, we can memorize an RD in a span of 1 hour, 30
Yes.
steps max.
So, let's goodbye to the...
we'll have you, we'll tour, yeah.
So we're going to off the duty na next week, guys.
So, we're gonna give you the privilege to see our school.
Yes.
Tour time.
Yawa to si our school o nga, nagagiro, ikagin.
Yeah, don't be like that.
So this is the
So,
medbet area. Oh, this is the mama too. The
Hi.
Ate Mabel.
now my favorite mom.
Thank you.
This is Mark, mistress.
Actually, both of them is actually Mark's girl.
Look at this girl. This is Mark, mistress.
And this is Berlaza.
This is Burlaza. So bye.
Lisa, okay. Trivia,
So today,
trivia fact about Korea. So,
What?
did you know that
some of CIs are having a relationship in the
Wala, don't
students.
say that. That's so mean.
Oh, there you go. There you go. Huh? So hi guys.
Yun, abot ang vlogger na rin.
Say hi to the last RD.
Ano na feel nyo ngayon na last RD na?
Okay, ikaw.
Salamat sa
What do you feel?
Iyot.
Oy,
Uy, Diyos, tas iyo.
your victory party?
Victory party, pero sa sabi, nag-party party.
We're going to see, we're going to see boyfriend.
Oh, where?
I'm gonna
So, bye
let
for
you
now, guys.
meet my boyfriend.
Oh, si Miss RC guys, nasa Picas room. So, magbawas.
Discharge.
Mag-secret. Where's the boyfriend? Ay, Sir Dan. Ay, si Mark. Nag-classy.
Wala siya for today.
Kinsa mo? Magipangit na. Taka naman kag Agdo. Oh my God, guys.
Hala na itong mga tropa from the other section. Hi guys, saan mo na mag-RD? Yes, lahat-lahat. Kaya saan mag-duty? Saan duty ninyo?
Next week.
Go. Same lang as. So today, we're gonna see our class. This is Mingasca, the hospitalized in Cebu.
So we're gonna practice our cry for the board exam. So this is my reaction if ever
You got to the top? Board.
top 1 ko.
Oh, wow, that's so cool, guys.
Me kay mag-cry jud ko, like literally, it was like I can't even fucking believe it. Even though I studied so fucking hard for it, still, it makes me cry guys knowing na matapon jud ko.
Yes, I'm gonna be so surprised if matapon si Jason, guys.
O kami dalawa actually.
Knowing si Jason is shit in school.
Whatever.
Look at this guy.
Guys, I can't afford to buy the kit, the CHN kit because I spent the money.
Walang station kid? What the fuck?
Probably tomorrow, magbayan ako tomorrow. Na ako ang money ko lang dito guys is 2.5 na lang kaya gasto na ako siya.
Same goes like me. Wala ko kining scrub suits. It's because I already spent it in my happy life. So yeah. This is the last RD. I can't live without RD, guys. You know that. Kahit na
Kabisan, bag niya guys, nasa yung kanina episode. Nasa yung ano, ay nasa yung
Gwyneth, i-upload din sa YouTube ha. Okay. I-upload din sa YouTube. Yes, no editing. Diretso ni upload. Play edit. Guys, this is the last RD. Then mag-vlog ni first duty na mo kay Kauban ako si Rico.
Yo, vlog inside the RD room guys kay Basin Ma Juliana 2.06.
Diba? Oh my God! Kunyari kayo tanaw ako sa result sa board exam. No,
You know how
wala akong
smart we are? Imagine this. ML lang whole night ha. Till morning pa jud na. Till 5 till morning talaga sometime.
And then, maglaba og uniform kay at 2
2
a.m.
a.m. or 3 a.m. And then pagbalik sa school, after circle time, dyan pa kami mag-study. But still,
Yes. The grade is 98.
above 90. Yeah.
That's how cool we are,
Guys, and
guys.
disposing the remains of the needles and syringe we are to obliged to put it in a
Can you give a comment to our section?
actually no.
What do you think?
Our section is very chill. Super chill actually. The bar is so low. Super
But-
fucking low. To the point because nobody like everybody does the bare minimum. Not even the bare minimum sometimes. Diba?
Yes.
Nobody is competitive. It like yeah, it's good and it's very chill, but it has a downside because it you know it doesn't draw the best in you talaga.
We're just chilling here, guys.
Pero
Like we're going up.
pero Agwan and Mark is a different league.
Ooh.
Lahi to sila nila. Lovers. Classmates.
Mistress.
Public. Lovers in private. Hi, Doki.
Hi, Doc Kate.
We love Doki.
It sounds like a shit for me na last RD na karon, but for me like a student who cried a lot kaya dili mag-memorize the before the day of the RD. I'm gonna miss the shit. Hindi yan. Bye.
Kaya problema mo din mo, dala mo siya sunod, balik mo sa mga